you doing?
I'm saving your life.
Baymax can handle that guy!
Oh no.
Wasabi!
Oh, goodbye!
Hero, explanation now.
He stole my microbots. He started the fire. I don't know who he is. Baymax, palm heel strike!
Hard left!
That mask, the black suit. We're under attack from a supervillain, people! I mean, how cool is that? I mean, it's scary, obviously, but how cool!
Why are we stopped?
The light's red!
There are no red lights in a car chase!
Why are they trying to kill us? Why are you trying to kill us?
It's classic villain! We've seen too much!
Let's not jump to conclusions. We don't know. He's trying to kill us.
Arr!
He's trying to kill us! Did you just put your blinker on?
You have to indicate your turn. It's the wall.
That's it.
Stop the car. Baymax and I can take this guy.
Seatbelt save lock.
Are we there yet? Not for a few more hours, Bonnie. You can go back to sleep.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Did we lose him?
Look out! Baymax, hold on. We're not gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. We made it! Yeah!
I told you we'd make it.
Your injuries require my attention, and your body temperatures are low.
We should get out of here.
I know a place.